one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. Sometimes we carry within us a deep awareness of things which we've done wrong, things which we've said, the way in which we've hurt other people. And yet the Lord does not come to us with condemnation. He comes to cleanse and to heal, to restore and to make new. And the Lord says, trust in me, that I desire to wash you and to make you clean. I desire to cleanse you and make you whole. It is not my desire to condemn you. It's not my desire to destroy you. But it is my desire that you are fully restored, that you take on the dignity that I have won for you again. For I created you. I love you. I delight in who you are. I do not want to concentrate on the dirt. I do not want to concentrate on the sin, but I want to bring out the gold that is within you. For you are precious to me. I love you. Do not fear, but approach me with confidence, knowing that I am the one who washes you clean, who makes you new. Know that as you confess your sins, I restore you, I heal you. As you seek my forgiveness, I freely give it. I love you, and I want you to be whole. I want you to be fully new. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.